constant definition, constant in a sentence, constant pronunciation, constant meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of constant. Constant. Con-stant. Constant. Constant means to happen continuously over a period of time, or a situation or state that does not change. Common usages in academic writing: constant velocity, constant speed, constant rate, constant depth. Example sentence: constant, adjective. The satellite maintained a constant orbit around the Earth for nearly 2 decades. The common academic writing variation is constantly, adverb. Atmospheric temperatures changed constantly throughout the year. Please write a sentence using constant in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use constant confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.